Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important abbreviations which are recent current affairs related abbreviations. Friends, from abbreviation point of view, in any competitive exam, there is a chance of getting 1 or 2 marks. This topic is very useful for all competitive exams. Please be watched carefully. Let's start. The Chief Minister of Kerala has launched KRERA, stands for Kerala Real Estate Regulatory Authority. Once again, Kerala Real Estate Regulatory Authority to bring confidence and transparency in real estate sectors among the customers. Once again, KRERA stands for Kerala Real Estate Regulatory Authority for real estate sector. The present Chief Minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan and Governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Next, Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Once again, Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched India's first cybercrime prevention unit. Name is Aswast. The full form of Aswast is Assured Assistance Service. Assured Assistance Service helpline for victims at shortest time. Once again, the full form of Aswast is Assured Assistance Service helpline for victims at shortest time, which is helpline for cybercrime victims. And one more is Viswas. The full form of Viswas is Video Integration and Statewide Advanced Security. Video Integration and Statewide Advanced Security to improve law and order in Gujarat. It is for Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Next, State Bank of India has announced a new scheme for home buyers. The scheme name is RBBG. RBBG stands for Residential Builder Finance with Buyer Guarantee. Once again, Residential Builder Finance with Buyer Guarantee to safeguard home buyers financially by issuing guarantee for completion of projects to customers availing SBI home loans. A RBBG scheme is very important. Full form is Residential Builder Finance with Buyer Guarantee. The headquarter of SBI is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and chairman is Rajneesh Kumar. Next, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, has planned to launch a new satellite series called IDRSS. IDRSS stands for Indian Data Relay Satellite System for seamless communication for India's first manned space mission called Gaganyaan, which have a schedule to take off in 2022. The headquarter of ISRO is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and present chairman of ISRO is Kailasawadiyo Sivan. Next, Union Home Minister inaugurated I4C. It is a online cybercrime reporting portal. I4C launched by Union Home Minister. I4C stands for Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. Once again, Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center in New Delhi. It is a portal. It helps citizens to report cybercrimes online. The present Home Minister is Amit Shah and his constituency is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Next, Department of Science and Technology. It works under Ministry of Science and Technology, has launched a special scheme called SATI, The full form of SATI is Sophisticated Analytical and Technical Help Institutes. Once again, Sophisticated Analytical and Technical Help Institute aim to create professionally managed and strong science and technology infrastructure in India. The present Union Minister for Science and Technology is Dr. Harshavardhan, and his constituency is Chandni Chowk, New Delhi. Next, MSME Minister. MSME stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Minister implemented a new scheme named Sphurti. The full form of Sphurti is Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries. Once again, Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries. Under this scheme, financial support will be given to set up traditional industries clusters. Sphurti full form, once again, Scheme of Fund for Regeneration of Traditional Industries. The present MSME Minister is Nitin Jairam Gadkari, and his constituency is Nagpur, Maharashtra. Next, some important abbreviation in banking point of view is NUE. NUE, it stands for New Umbrella Entity. NUE stands for New Umbrella Entity. And LTRO. LTRO stands for Long Term Repo Operations. Long Term Repo Operations. And NSFI. NSFI stands for National Strategy for Financial Inclusion. National Strategy for Financial Inclusion. And MCR stands for Minimum Capital Requirements. MCR stands for Minimum Capital Requirements. And OMO, Open Market Operations. And BCP. BCP stands for Business Community Plan. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has created Emergency Relief Fund to fight against COVID virus. The name of fund is PM Cares Fund. The full form of PM Cares is Prime Minister Citizen Assistance. Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation. And Relief in Emergency Situation. Next, SEBI stands for Securities and Exchange Board of India. The regulatory of stock market in India has introduced a mobile app called SEBI Scores. The mobile app is SEBI Scores, SEBI Complaint Redress System, through which investors can register their grievances. The headquarters of SEBI is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and chairman is Ajay Tyagi. Next, Andhra Pradesh government has proposed to buy novel contraption portable multi-feed oxygen manifold. Portable multi-feed oxygen manifold developed by personnel of Naval Dockyard Visakhapatnam to address the need for oxygen supply to COVID-19 patients. The present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy and Governor is Bishwabhushan Harichandran. Next, the Chief Minister of Delhi has announced a 5T plan. 5T plan, which includes testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork, tracking and monitoring. 5T abbreviation important. There is a chance of asking in examination like that. What is the second T stands for in 5T plan which is introduced by Delhi government? Answer is testing. Please be remember testing, tracing, treatment, teamwork and tracking in a sequence manner. Please be remember to control the spread of COVID-19 in the state. It is the initiative by Delhi government. The present Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal and Governor is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijal. Next, the Civil Service Officers Association has created an initiative named Karuna. The full form of Karuna is Civil Services Association Reach to Support in Natural Disasters. The full form of Karuna is Civil Services Association Reach to Support in Natural Disasters to assist and supplement the government effort to battle COVID-19. Next, Hyderabad-based Defense Research Development Laboratory, which functions under DRDO, has developed COVSAC. The full form of COVSAC is COVID Sample Collection Kiosk. COVID Sample Collection Kiosk. It is developed by Defense Research Development Laboratory. It is Hyderabad-based company. It functions under Defense Research and Development Organization. The headquarters of DRDO is New Delhi and chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Next, NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration to launch its new mission called Sunrise. Sunrise. The full form of Sunrise is Sun Radio Interferometer Space Experiment. Once again, Sun Radio Interferometer Space Experiment. The headquarters of NASA is Washington DC and administrator is Jim Bridenstine. Next, the Department of Personnel and Training under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pension has introduced a first of its kind learning portal. The name of learning portal is IGOT, Integrated Government Online Training. Integrated Government Online Training. It is a learning portal. It is launched by Department of Personnel and Training under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions. Next, Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The present Union Ministry of Human Resource and Development is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched a web portal named Yukti. The full form of Yukti is Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation. Once again, Young India Combating COVID with Knowledge, Technology and Innovation in New Delhi. Next, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication under Department of Science and Technology has initiated a program on health and risk communication focusing on COVID-19. Name is YASH. ASH. The full form of ASH is Year of Awareness on Science and Health. Once again, Year of Awareness on Science and Health. It is the initiative of the National Council for Science and Technology Communication. It comes under Department of Science and Technology. Next, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy has launched a mobile application named CMAP. The full form of CMAP is Comprehensive Monitoring of Agriculture Price and Procurement. Once again, CMAP stands for Comprehensive Monitoring of Agriculture Price and Procurement, with aim to monitor agriculture needs of farmers in the state. The present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy and Governor is Bishwabhushan Harichandran. Next, DRDO lab develops a automated ultraviolet system to sanitize electronic gadget, paper and currency notes. That is DRUS. The full form of DRUS is Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer. Once again, Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer. The headquarter of DRDO is New Delhi and chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Next, MSME Ministry has launched a portal. It is Technology cum Management Information System. The portal name is Champions. Portal name is Champions. The full form of Champions is Creation and Harmonious Application of Modern Process for Increasing the Output and National Strength. Once again, the full form of Champions is Creation and Harmonious Application of Modern Process for Increasing the Output and National Strength. It is launched by MSME Minister. The present Ministry of MSME is Nitin Gadkari and his constituency is Nagpur, Maharashtra. Next, the Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat launched a portal. Name is Hope. Hope stands for Helping Out People Everywhere. A portal to create the opportunities of employment for youth in their expertise and to provide skill development opportunities. Hope stands for Helping Out People Everywhere. Helping out people everywhere. The present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Friends, these are the important abbreviations from January to May month. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.